So, I watched, I think this is episode 7 recently of the show. And I thought that the show would surprise me. I know it's kind of too early for the plot to get exposed where Eleni finds out that Adele is her dad and Esme is her mom. But I wish they had just revealed it in this episode.
Esmer'in çok acısı var.
Güzel işte.
Toprağa gömdüğü sırrın. Toprağa gömdüğü sır. Aleyna.
Bundan sonra abi mi lazım, dost mu lazım, baba mı lazım, ben buradayım.